how to activate Chase card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Chase card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for chase.com/activate. After you search for that, you'll get this type of login page. From here, to activate your credit or debit card, simply you'll have to log into your account, provide your correct username and password over here. After you provide your correct username or password, you can access your Chess account. From there, you'll have to just find out the option for activate your card. Simply tap on that and from there, follow the prompts and provide the details. After there, you'll be able to activate your credit or debit card. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.